Hey guys, welcome back to our channel The Whole Lot Stuff. I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be about a workshop on intellectual property rights. So this is offered by Bajaj College of Science from Varda, and here you can see from the official website, here we have 1 day national workshop on intellectual property rights IPR. So we just have to click on it, and this is the poster of 1 day online national workshop on intellectual property rights IPR and innovations. This workshop is going to be conducted on 19th December 2020, and the timings are 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. If you want to know about the college and also about the resource person, you can simply click on the available links. Be sure that you pay attention to the line that we will be receiving our link for the workshop on Telegram group. Near free registration, we have to click on the link, and this will redirect us to the Google form. Here we have to enter our details like email address and the category of participation, and other details which we have to fill out is our full name, the name of the institute we are studying in, our current position, the city and state we live in. Be sure that you are giving a proper mobile number to which your Telegram account is linked, because you are going to get the event details and link of the workshop only on Telegram group. If you think that this video was informative, hit the like button and also share it with your friends. Thanks for making me reach this target. Keep supporting me in this way. Happy learning, guys. Bye.